Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we want to look at test 2H of our series, Steps to Quantitative Reasoning. And we have these examples and the exercise that follows. So the first thing, as I always emphasize, is to understand the operation that defines the example. When you understand, you now come around to look at the exercise. Now the first one, we have 128. The corresponding number is 28, 2, 36, 3, 44, 4, 52. So it seems this is increasing as the number on this side is also increasing. So let us, what is the difference? Is it unique? So let us say 36 minus 28. So if we look at it, the difference between that number is 8. Is 8. So the difference between this corresponding number is also 2 minus 1, which is 1. Let us test for the second one, 44 minus 36. The difference there is also 8. And this is 2 and 1, the difference is 1. So 52 and 44, so the difference is 8. So we are looking at difference here. So let us look at the second one. This one is decreasing. So it starts from 8, we have 90. So this one is decreasing by 1 as well as this one increases by 1. So by what value does this one decrease? So 90 minus 78, so that is 12. So 78 and the 66, the same thing, 12. So 66 and 54, 12. So it follows the same pattern and the same series. So this one is increasing, 11, 12, 7, 11. So the difference is 4, 4, 4, and 4. So now let us now come to our exercise. So this one is increasing by 1. So by what is this one increasing? Is increasing. We have 7 is decreasing. We have 77 and 70. So 77 minus 70, that is 7. 70 minus 63, that is 7. 49 minus 42, so that is 7. So what will now be the difference of what is, if we subtract 7 from 63, so definitely we are going to get 56. So our answer is A, 56. Let's look at the second one. So this one is decreasing while this one is increasing. So 44 and 55. So 55 minus 44. So that gives us 11. Let's look at this one. 77 and 88. So the difference as well is 11. So 88 and 99. The difference as well is 11. So let us add 11 to 55. So that gives us 66. So our answer here is C. So let us look at the next one. This one is increasing. Now let us pay attention to this one. This is 2 and 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 8. So this one is not increasing in arithmetic progression. Why? But it is increasing in geometric progression. The resultant as well is also increasing, showing a geometric progression rate. Now when we have something like this, how do we deal with it? Now we have 15. Let us start from this. 15 minus 10 over 3 minus 2. That is 5 over 1, which is 5. Let us take the next one. 25 and 15. 25 minus 15 all over 5 minus 2. This gives us 10. No, 5 minus 3, sorry. The resultant for 15 is 3. And the 5 minus 3, that is 2. So this is 5. So it is still a series because it still follows the same pattern. So let us look at the next one. Let's look at 40 and 25. 40 minus 25. What is the resultant? 8 and 5. 8 minus 5. So that is 15. And this is 3. So our answer is still 5. Now, we were to find this particular unknown. So this one is 75 minus 40 all over. We don't know what is here. Let us say this is x minus 8 equals 5. Remember, just as we are deriving 5, we know that the series follows this. So this gives us 35 over x this gives us 35 over x minus 8 equals 5. So if we cross multiply, this is 5 into bracket x minus 8 equals 35. So 5x minus 40 equals 35. So 5x equals 35 plus 40. So 5x equals 75. So x equals 75 divided by 5. And if you divide, that gives us 15. So our unknown here is 15, which is D. Let's look at the next one. So this follows a simple arithmetic series. The difference between this is 1. So 168 minus 154, that gives us 14. 154 minus 140 gives us 14. So subtract 14 from 140. So that gives us 126, and that is A. And to the last, if you look at this, it follows simple arithmetic series as well, just as the rest, except for the 38, which follows a geometric series. So the difference between this 48 minus 32, that gives us 16. 48 minus 64 minus 48, that gives us 16. So if you add 16 to 64, so this gives us B, which is 80. So our answer is B, which is 80. So that is the solution for this particular exercise. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, please be good and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.